Now according to that, SL parsing table for ambiguous grammar is SR parsing table for ambiguous grammar is. Now we write this one R1 and R2. These are the selected values. According to that three rules, I gave that slide R1, R2, S5, R2 in red mark. That means these are the selected values. 7 on plus 7 on star, 8 on plus 8 on star. These are the values I got it. These are the values are selected values. Now you write this tabular form. So what are the selected values? Now SR parsing tables for ambiguous grammar. So now you write the tabular form. What are the selected values? So 7 on plus means R1 is selected. So according to that 7 on plus means reduction is selected. Next one 7 on star means shift is selected. According to 8 on plus means reduction is selected, and 8 on star also reduction is selected according to the rule 2 and rule 3. By applying the 3 rules means we got these values. So before the tabular form, what you wrote here, shift and reduce also we wrote 7 on plus. Similarly 7 on star also shift and reduce. Now eliminating the ambiguous grammar by this is the actual tabular form. This is the actual tabular form by eliminating the shift and reduce, same row and same column. So I reduce R1, R2, R3, R4 only. Because in the equation I gave that 4 equations only. In the equation I gave that only 4 equations. In the production I gave that 4 equations only. That's why it will take the R1, R3. Go to anything but over writing part is over for SLR parsing table. SLR parsing table. SLR parsing table. SLR parsing table. 5A8 Bindupriya. 5A8 Bindupriya. 5A8 Bindupriya. Bindupriya. A8 A6 Satvik. A6 Satvik. A6 Satvik. Bindupriya. Bindupriya and Satvik, you understand the problem, how we eliminated the shift and reduce account to the 7-1 plus 7 on star, 8n plus and 8n star, how to eliminate the AMBAS grammar according to the 3 rules. 5A8 and 5A6. Any doubt is there according to the AMBAS grammar for the SLR? Any doubt is there? Any doubt is there? A6 and A8. No, sir. Writing part is over. According to the PPT, I gave that one slide. Writing part is over. Yes, sir. So how to explain the AMBAS grammar means by using these 3 rules, similar follow. What is the basic rule? What means SLR rule only you have to follow. Then whenever we can say that it is the AMBAS grammar means same row and same column, it will appear shift and reduce. Then we can say that it is the AMBAS grammar. Then how to eliminate the AMBAS grammar means by taking these 3 rules, then eliminate either shift or reduce. Either shift or reduce.